TSA Placement Cell and Global Alumni Committee, a gateway to the global digital AEC industry. We in TSA consider our alumni as the proud ambassadors of our brand in the industry. We are the pioneers in BIM training across the globe, with 8,000 plus happy learners, 50 plus countries, and 200 plus recruiters. Our course offers extensive training on BIM tools, hands-on internships on live international projects which make you job ready for the industry. On completion of any program with TSA, you will get an amazing opportunity to join our diversified alumni community to start building a better working world and engage with people who had the same study or work experience like you around the globe. After course completion, having lifelong access to the online resources and being part of this global community is a benefit you just don't want to go past. You may have finished your course, but the learning doesn't stop there. Being a TSA alumni is the door to global professional network, insights, and endless job opportunities. Get lifelong access to our alumni community and placement portal, Construction Hired. Network with like-minded people in your relevant line of career interests. Stay updated on job openings that suit your profile. 200 plus MNCs across the globe are partnered with our placement cell. Connect, collaborate, contribute. Be in touch with our growing active community of alumni who are thriving in the industry across the world. Be in touch to shape and share the latest thinking, finest innovations in AEC industry. Be in touch to learn from the best in the AEC industry. No matter where you are or what your role is, we are here to open doors and opportunities all around the world. We are here to transform your career and develop your skills. Sign up and enroll yourself for the course now. Join us and be among the top 1% of the AEC industry with us.